Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the most important table for GPAT examination, that is solubility and permeability table, that is biopharmaceutical classification system table, BCS classification. Class 1 drug are high soluble and high permeable. Class 2 drug are low soluble and high permeable. Class 3 drug are high soluble and low permeable, and class 4 drug are low permeable and low soluble. So in case of first drug, that means class 1 drug, there is no problem, but in case of second, this is called as solubility limited drug. This drug having limited solubility, so we add cyclodextrin we add cyclodextrin we add cyclodextrin cyclodextrin cyclodextrin. In case of class 3rd drug, these drugs are called as permeability limited drug. For that purpose, we use prodrug. We make prodrug of those prodrug, and then given to patient. In case of class 4 drug, we use alternative route other than oral administration. Remember, class 1 drug are high soluble, high permeable, class 2 are low soluble, high permeable, class 3 are high soluble, low permeable, and class 4 are low permeable and low soluble. For class 1 drug, there is no problem with oral administration, but in case of class 2 drug, these are the solubility limited drug because these are the low soluble drug. In case of low soluble drug or solubility limited drug, we add cyclodextrin to make them soluble. And in case of permeability limited drug, that is class 3, we make them into prodrug, and after we administer to that patient. In case of class 4, we can't use oral administration, we give alternative route of administration. This is all about BCS classification. Thank you for watching my video.